Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Jeremy.
Miss President, kindly come forward and lead us in prayer.
Let's bow our head and feel the presence of the Father, the Son, and the Spirit. Lord God, thank you for this day. Thank you for the blessings that you've given to us. Forget about our sins, and Lord God, give us knowledge, and thank you. Amen.
Okay, thank you. Where is the class secretary?
Yes, sir.
Do we have an absentees for today?
I am glad to report to you, sir, that we are all present today.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class, do we have an assignment?
None, sir.
Okay. Class, what was our previous topic?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Jen?
the last topic that we discussed yesterday is all about animal cell.
So what about the three major parts of the animal cell?
The three major parts of animal cell is nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, before we start our new topic, let's have a game and we will call you word hand. Okay, so how to play this? So within 1 minute, you have to find the given words. So this is the given words. Find me. And within 1 minute, you have to find as many as you can. And the student who gets the most correct answer will get the additional bonus for our activity later. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So here. So as you can see, we have a puzzle. So all you have to do is to find. So your time starts now. Okay, our new topic is all about the metamorphosis of a butterfly. But before we proceed we tackle about this, let us first know what is the objective of our lesson. So let us read together. 1, 2, 3, go.
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to demonstrate the life cycle of butterfly using diagram or picture. Share the importance of metamorphosis through group activity. Create a diagram showing the life cycle of a butterfly using recycled materials.
Okay, thank you. Our topic for today is all about the metamorphosis of a butterfly. So, what do you think is the relationship of our game to our new lesson? Anyone?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Jen?
I think, sir, that the relationship of our game to our new lesson is that the stages of life cycle of a butterfly.
Okay, very good, Miss Jen. So, those words that we found from our game is actually the stages of a life cycle of a butterfly. So first, let us define what is metamorphosis. Anyone? Miss Bernaldez?
Metamorphosis is a biological process by which an animal physically develops after birth or hatching, involving conspicuous and relatively abrupt change in the animal's body through cell growth and differentiation.
Okay, very good. Metamorphosis, in other words, it is the changes in the shape or characteristic of an organism's body as it grows and matures. So there are certain insects that undergo in the process of metamorphosis, like grasshopper, but today we will discuss only about the metamorphosis of a butterfly, and specifically the monarch butterfly. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. So as you can see, those words that we found from our game is the egg, caterpillar, the chrysalis, are also known as pupa, and the adult. So this one is just showing na mag-a-undergo or pupunta na siya sa pagiging adult. Okay, so this is the life cycle of a butterfly. As you can see, that those words that we found from our game is the egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and the adult. So these are the stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. First is the eggs. So, eggs are laid on plants. As you can see, nakalagay talaga siya sa plants. Plants by the adult female butterfly. So, these plants will then become the food for the hatching caterpillar. Eggs can be laid from spring, summer, or fall. This depends on the species of butterfly. So female lay a lot of eggs at once so that at least some of them survive. So butterfly eggs can be very small. So nakikita niyo naman maliit talaga siya. And the next stage is the caterpillar or larva. So yan. So and also it is called the feeding stage. Caterpillar is also called larva. So it is the insects or the butterfly mode. So the job of this insect or this stage or the job of the caterpillar is to eat and eat. So kailangan lang niyang kumain ng kumain. As the caterpillar grows, it splits its skin and shed. It's about 4 or 5 times food eaten at this time. And also it is stored and used later as an adult. So the next stage is the chrysalis or also known as pupa. So this is the transition stage. So when the caterpillar is full grown and stop eating, it becomes a pupa. So yan, kita nyo, it's already covered. Yan. So the pupa of butterfly is also called chrysalis, and this stage can last from a few months or a week or even longer. So the pupa may suspended under a branch, hidden in leaves, or buried underground. So the pupa of many moths is protected inside, and the one that protects it is the cocoon of silk. The next stage is the adult, or it is also called the reproductive stage. So the adult stage is the final stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. If the caterpillar has a few tiny eyes, stubby legs, and very short antenna, the adult has long legs, as you can see. So this one. And long antenna. So this one, yun yung antenna niya. And compound eyes. So hindi lang natin makita yung eyes, pero compound eyes siya. So it can also fly by using their large and colorful wings. So the adult's job is to mate and lay egg for them to reproduce. Kasi dito guys, okay class, yung mga buhay lang na pag nasa adult butterfly na sila is very short. So they have to reproduce as fast as they can. Okay? So again, this is the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay class? What are topics all about again?
Sir,
Jen?
it's all about the metamorphosis of a butterfly.
Okay, so what are the life cycle or stages in the cycle
Sir.
of a butterfly? Yes.
Sir, it starts from egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult.
Okay, very good. Okay class, let's have an activity today. So we will call it Draw Me and Describe Me. So bring out your coloring materials and paper. So all you have to do is to describe, first draw the life cycle of a butterfly and its stages, and describe what's happening during that stages. Okay, I'll give you 15 minutes. So your time starts now. Are you done, class?
Yes, sir!
Okay, pass your paper and get one full sheet of paper again. We will have a short quiz about our topic. Okay. So, it's just a simple question. Okay, first, what is the importance of the metamorphosis? And second, give and describe the stages of the life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, start now. For your assignment, copy this. Okay, class, I hope you learned a lot from our topic. So, I think we're good. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Sir Jeremy!